Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. But today is a very special day. Today we reached 100 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you guys. Without you guys, I would not have done it. And I'm going to keep uploading videos. And I'm going to be consistent. And yeah, let's just get straight to it. Today I'm going to talk about the crown. Yeah, let's get it. Today's a celebration day. Alright, let's get into today's topic, which is the crown. I got a lot of people on Instagram, on Facebook, messaging me about the crown. So first, let's look at how my hair is looking. I haven't seen it after I did my morning routine, so let me see how it's looking right now. But yeah, with the crown, you just gotta be consistent with it and be precise with your brushing. So, okay. Let me turn the picture around real quick. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? It's like that right now. So, the best thing I can do is just brush. But my point right now, my whole goal is to get this it's like this right here is lighter than these spots on right here. So my goal is to get this spot right, like these, as dark as these ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it. I'm gonna brush it with my little comb. You see that? You see how it is? Like, it's dark. It's not like how it was when the video started. It's getting a little darker. So for me, I gotta keep doing this every day. Every day when I brush, and I gotta precisely do this, like do it the right direction and do it slowly, not fast, not rush through it, but slowly. Take my time. Make sure I get everything right. Because I don't want to change my brushing direction then it's not going to be dark, or it's not going to fade in with the other colors. So, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. So, yeah, so that's the whole thing. That's the whole point. But my whole head right now, it's like I'm working on my forks, but that's gonna be another video. So I ain't gotta worry about that right now. But yeah, forks is another thing I'm working on. But yeah, and then just brush it. It's not gonna be perfect in one video, but it's something I gotta consistently, I gotta keep brushing and keep doing it. Okay. See, I'm trying to work with my both hands. I'm trying to be a good brusher with both hands. I can only do my right one right now. Y'all see that? Y'all see that how it is now? It's a little darker. But yeah, that's the whole point. That's the whole point of it, you know. I've been wolfing for like 4 weeks, I would say. 4 or 5. But yeah, that's about it with the crown. You just gotta brush it price up precisely, and yeah, just do it every day though. Like, just do it every day, because it's like his hair still like, it's like baby hair in the back like that over there by the crown. So you gotta keep doing that every day, and eventually it's gonna get darker, and then it's gonna turn out very good. And yeah, that's it for this video. Like, once again, thank you for the subscribers. I'm trying to, now the grind don't stop though. You know, I gotta keep pushing, keep giving you guys great videos. And like I said, vote at the end of the video or whenever. Please subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. I'm out, dudes.